Okay, let's go over making those bullet point paragraph styles. So make sure that you have the paragraph styles open. And what we're going to do is let's look at the specifications. So you'll notice it says select the text starting with font families to right before the byline. So it's going to be set up the same as our body copy. That means that we're going to match the Times New Roman regular, 10/14, left alignment, but it says we're going to have no space after the paragraph. So we want to remove that add 0.125-inch space after paragraphs from it. And we want to make sure that all lines are aligned to the baseline grid. And then we're going to put 0.125 in the tab position. So let's go back into our file. So you'll notice I have everything selected, all of the bullets selected, and on paragraph styles, I have body selected, and I'm going to click the plus sign. And we want it based on body. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just make sure it looks right, 10/14, that all lines are aligned to the grid. I want to take out, remember that space after, so I'm going to bring that back to 0. Then I'm going to go down to bullets and numbering. And for list type, I'm going to choose bullets and make sure it's on the bullet point character. And then for the tab position, it's going to be 0.125. You'll notice how it's defaulted to 0.5. So I'm going to put 125. And we can see how that looks. And that fixes that like that, and we'll click OK. And then the next thing that I needed to do was to also have a character style that applies only to the first word, and it needs to be either bold or semi-bold. So I'm going to deselect everything. I'm going to make sure my character styles are open. I'm going to do plus, and under basic character formats, under font style, I just want to change that to bold and just hit OK. So now I can select the first word and just make that bold. And I can rename this to just say bold. Select the first word, select bold, the first word, bold. See? Right down the line. There we go. And save. And then the only thing you would have left to do would to make that byline the Times New Roman italic 8-point and make sure it is right aligned. As you can see, I've done right here. Hope that helps.